guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Sue and today I'm here with another video. I'm trying 4 affordable Amazon wigs. They're all under $40 and I just thought that it would be a fun video to make. So without wasting any more time, let's start trying wigs. First wig is this headband medium length curly wig. I got it in the color 1B. It's actually really good. There's a little tangles here and there, but I think that just combing out with some conditioner is just gonna bring the curls back. In the bag, it also comes with a mesh wig cap and also like a random printed headband, and I got the flamingo one. Let's try on the wig. It looks good. If you see me look on the side, it's because I have a mirror. It doesn't look too bad. Honestly, the elastic, like the headband, is not too tight. It's adjustable. It's comfortable also. But what I will say is that there's kind of a weird gap in the back. There's a space, but I think that maybe with the clip you can clip it so it doesn't like lift up, but I don't want to use clips around my edges, so that's probably why it's lifting. But other than that, it's very comfortable. I like it. There's a slight shine to it. I mean, it's nothing too crazy, it just looks a little bit shiny, but that's normal with synthetic wigs. So I'm just gonna try it with the headband and see what it looks like. Wait, that's a little tight. Let's just see if it's big head friendly. Yeah, it doesn't look it doesn't look that great with the headband. I don't know. It just feels like the headband is not large enough for the wig. With this wig, I don't think it's cute. You can literally see like the headband of the wig. Like, yeah, no. No, but other than that, yeah, I mean, it looks very nice. It's soft, it's silky. Let me show you the length. You see, it's quite long. And let me just show you what it looks like from the back. Overall, I really like this wig. The fit is very comfortable. The headband is not too tight. Like, the actual headband of the wig is not too tight, but this, I would say this is definitely not it. It's too tight. Even though it has like an elastic, it's too tight. Let me just take this off before I have a headache. But yeah, it's very stretchy, but not enough, and this is too thin. Like, it's not large enough to cover the actual headband, so I would have to buy another one and wear with this wig. But I'm very pleased, so I would give it a, I would say a 4 out of 5. Yeah, a 4 out of 5. I would say that the headband is why I removed the point. Next, I have another headband wig. This time is a 24-inch straight headband wig in the color 1B. Look at this. It's so pretty. The hair is very soft. There's a little shine, but it doesn't look fake. Like, it looks just natural. Definitely less shiny than the first wig. Let's have a look inside. You obviously have the headband with the velcros, and then you also have 4 combs, so 1 in front, 2 on each side, and then 1 at the bottom in the back. It also comes with a wig cap. There's 2, so it comes with 2 wig caps and also a random printed headband, and I got the leopard one. Now let's try the wig. The wig is so pretty. What? It's so nice. Let's see if it sheds. a little bit. There's like one hair that came out. Let me just brush it because it's looking a little crazy right now. It's 24-inch. It's super long. Like, look how long it goes. The hair is so soft. The headband fits perfectly. It's not too tight, but I think that there's some kind of like extra fabric, or maybe they put the wrong end of the Velcro, because there's like a weird gap in the back where the Velcro doesn't stick, so you just have like the headband that's just loose. So that's a little bit annoying, but I guess I'll just have to maybe just sew another piece of Velcro, like put a bobby pin or something. But other than that, I'm extremely pleased. Like, what? And it's nice because you can wear it up with like a hair clip or something. Just show you the views. So from the side, let's try the headband. I feel like this headband is gonna fit better than the other one because it's very stretchy and it's super large. It looks so good. I like the fact that it's not shiny. It doesn't have that plasticky sheen. And it's cool because I feel like with this hair, you can curl it, so you can style it. You don't necessarily have to leave it straight. Pretty satisfied. I would give this wig, the other one I give it 4, so this one probably like a 4.5. Yeah, no, I think I'm gonna give this one a 5. Yeah, a 5, a strong 5. Okay, let's continue. The next 2 wigs are from the same seller. The brand is Ufe. It's so cute because it comes in a little box like that, which I think it was so professional. You have a little like pamphlet that show you how to install the wig and how to take care of it. It also comes with a mesh wig cap, and then you have 2 little clips that you can sew on the wig if you want to. So the first wig that I got from this brand is this reddish brown wig with bangs. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's super soft. The color is very nice. It looks natural. I'm honestly, I don't have any words because the quality is amazing. The curls, the color, the hairline is like silicone. Wow, can you see that? It's giving scalp. It looks very natural. Inside you have like the little strap where you can adjust the wig. Okay, so let's try it on. Oh, let's give it a little brush. It brushes very easily. There was barely, if any, tangles. It's just a little hard to style the bangs, I feel like. I will have to give them a little trim for them to like lay on my face properly. But obviously I'm not gonna do that right now because it's gonna take forever. It's very pretty. There's no shine. It looks very natural. For a synthetic wig, I'm impressed. It's such a vibrant color. I think it's so pretty. Let me just show you guys from like different views. So the side. see if it sheds. No shedding. Yeah, no shedding, which is great. I feel like with this wig you can't wear it up because the little flap thingy goes like literally all the way down to like the top of my neck, so don't wear this up. But yeah, for a night out or something, it's cool. The fit is comfortable, it's not too tight. I didn't have anything to do, just maybe style the bangs a little bit, but other than that you have nothing else to do. The hairline, not that great. The hairline is not that great. It's giving, yeah, because like that's the thing. I feel like if I move it forward, the bangs are just gonna be very long, so I have to move it backwards, well, back. I feel like if I cut the bangs, I'll be able to wear the wig on my hairline. But obviously if it's windy, I'm gonna be in trouble. I'm not gonna wear this wig if it's windy, but for just like a little night out or something, that's great. You can even wear it behind your ear and, you know, just fix the bangs, and it's a look. I'm gonna give this wig, I would say 4.5. 4.5 because it's very pretty. It looks natural. It doesn't look like a plasticky cheap wig, and for under $40, I think that's shocking. Okay, I'm a fan. I like it. Okay, let's go to the next wig. Now the last wig, like I said, is from the same brand as the red one, the reddish brown wig. So I got the same wig but in black with highlights. Here it is. It looks so pretty, just like the other one. The same beautiful quality. It's not shiny. This one has more of a beige scalp compared to the other one, but it looks very, very natural. The bangs are full, and just like the other one, it comes with the clips that you can add to the wig and also the adjustable strap. So let's try it on. It's so pretty. This actually looks like me back then when I had bangs and I dyed my hair black, when I had my little rocker look going on. I like it. Let's give this wig a brush. And it brushes so easily and smoothly. Let's see if there's some shedding. Yeah, there's a little bit of shedding, like a few hair, like 3-4 hairs, so it's not that big of a deal. No, I'm surprised. It looks extremely natural. I feel like the bangs of the reddish brown wig is a lot thicker than this one, because this one I just do that and everything looks fine, but the red one I had to play with it. Honestly, I'm just out of words. I was expecting some cheap plasticky looking wigs but no. And the hairline on this one, because I have dark hair, looks a little better. You know, it's not that great, but it looks better. So if it's windy, I'm not gonna be too worried. Oh, it looks so cute. And let me just give you different angles. So from the side, what I will say is that the parting, the scalp part is a little light. So if you have a lighter complexion, this is going to look fine on you. But if you are from a darker complexion like me, This is just gonna look very fake, so I'll probably just put like a little bit of powder foundation to make it a little bit more natural, because I can't be this color with a super white scalp. I'll give this wig a 4.5 also, because I think my favorite one is definitely the 24-inch one, because it's just so pretty. But these two, this one and the red one, and then the curly one last. So this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm very satisfied with all the wigs that I got. They're all amazing quality, especially for synthetic wigs that were all under $40. I think that if you just want something easy to slap on your head, you don't have to go through the whole process of gluing the lace, cutting the lace, and bleaching the knots, anything like that. These are four These are four amazing wigs. I would say that they're all comfortable. You barely have anything to do except maybe like brush it and style it a little bit. If you just want to switch your look a little bit and have something very easy to just put on your head, consider one of these four wigs. But I'm very satisfied. I can't wait to wear them out. So thank you guys for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.